What's up, online shoppers? The pillow headboard that I just ordered for my son's queen bed has arrived. I'm so excited to open it up. Yes, this package here is a queen pillow headboard. It weighs probably about 5 pounds. It's very, very compressed and hard. So let's open it up and see what it looks like when I get it out. It is definitely shrink wrapped. There you go. Now it has a really cool little valve right here, and then we just take that off. I love that it ships in this bag. If you're careful not to cut the bag, it's definitely one you could use again. It is all twisted. I'm so glad I'm getting this on film. This is pretty cool. Now the trick is to get it out of the bag. Look at that! Queen headboard in a bag. Now here is the pillow, fully stretched out. It's gonna take a little bit of time to fluff up, but man, take a look at that. This is the back of it, and this is the front of it. Now it's got kind of a triangular shape, and you'll be able to see it a little bit better once it totally fluffs up, but you can see that it has a triangular shape. And this one here is suited for a queen headboard, but you can also get it for a twin, which would be ideal for a dormitory. If you were moving into a college dorm, you can get it in a twin XL, you can get it in a full, you can get it in a queen, you can even get this in a king size. It is filled with 7D silicified fiber and 3D polyester fiber to make it super, super comfy and soft. The feeling of this is just like really ultimate luxury. Now this can be a pillow. You can lay it down like that and have kind of an incline to sleep on. You can use it as a headboard, and I do a lot of work in bed, so I think I'm probably gonna order a king size one like this for my bed so that I have something to lean up against that's really comfortable. Now here's another cool feature. It has a cell phone pocket right here. So if you want a place to put your phone while you're sleeping, you can charge your phone and plug it in right here, and then it's not going to fall on the floor. You're not going to sleep on it, heat it up and wreck your phone. That's a pretty cool feature. And it actually has a cell phone pocket on both sides. Now you can also use this as a wedge under your feet to increase your comfort. And those pockets on the side, they don't just have to work for your cell phone. You can use it to keep your glasses, maybe the remote control for your television. And I will say, I know it's still a little bit wrinkly. I'm probably going to steam it to get the wrinkles out, but this is a really nice, soft, velvety, buttery corduroy. It's a nice textured material. I think the buttons give it an elevated look. I love the white satin trim that goes all the way around the outside, makes it kind of architectural looking. So I think that this is going to be really nice on my son's bed, super comfortable. And I definitely think that this is going to make lounging in bed a lot more comfortable. And one other really cool feature about this, it has a zipper on the back, which means that this cover can come off, go in the washing machine, and come back out again. So if you are looking for a really nice headboard wedge pillow to dress up your bed, to make your bed even more comfortable, to give you a way to elevate your feet, or just something nice for when you're sitting up in bed, maybe watching TV or working on your computer or just chilling and watching Netflix, this is absolutely awesome. I'm super impressed with the quality and the feel and how neat it was when it was packed. Definitely this is going to be a family favorite at our house.